All right, Bo's
He's
awake.
looking at me.
Yeah.
All right, babe.
He's
Hey.
awake now.
You hold
Or
still.
he's looking at Jacob.
Yeah. Where's
That's 'cause I
Dad?
miss Pops.
Where's Dad? There's Bo. He ate. Now he's awake, and he got these soup. Oh, did he smile?
Kelsey, hold on. Look at you.
My face?
Look at you.
Ew!
Look at her.
Can you crop me out?
Bad.
That's disgusting. Yeah, it is.
Somebody push that thing.
She's.
Hey.
Let me see the baby.
Huh?
Let me see the baby.
He's
There
looking
he
at
is.
Jacob. Now he's
I
looking at me.
know. I know.
Oh,
Yeah,
I just tossed the
He's
film
so
in the
wide
trash. I don't know what
awake.
got.
He's so awake. Yeah.
I have a solution.
You looking all around?
It's my mom's though.
Are you looking all around? Kelsey's cup's over
Oh,
there.
we got a cup of ice.
Yeah, my cup's right there.
Hi. Look at you.
Are you gonna send this to
So
Grandma?
awake. Yeah. He's so awake. He looks like a boy, huh? Yeah, he looks like a boy. Very nice and quiet. And kinda
Uh-oh.
Looking around.
You can always tell when they're about to cry because their face starts going...
Blinking, blinking.
No, their face gets all like crunched.
he's
Oh,
yeah.
oh,
I
just
know.
kidding. He knew I was talking
Okay.
about him.
All right. Good mommy.
You're all right.
Mommy's feeling much better. Oh, mommy
Baby boo.
can eat. And there's that annoying.
Yawn.
Oh, and then see if we can get Mount Rainier out there. I don't think we're going to be able to see it. If it'll focus. There it is. Mount Rainier. Okay.
Yeah, he's wide awake now.
You should have that closer just so somebody can just spread.
We've been trying to shut it off. All right. Bye-bye.
So.